Today I'm going to show you 3 methods for rolling your new character for both Dungeon Master and player in Dungeons & Dragons. Hello there past, present and future D&D players and DMs. These methods vary in popularity, but I'm going to show you all 3 methods and you can decide which method is best suited for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Method 1, the standard array. Method 1 is one of the easier methods to build a character in Dungeons & Dragons. You see we've got points here 15, 14, 13, 12, 10 and 8. So this is a very round of the middle character. You can go and assign what you need for your character where you feel its strengths and weaknesses lie. So for example, if I'm playing a barbarian, I would want 15 on my strength because barbarians are very strong, but they're not very smart. So we'll put the 8 in the intelligence part, and then you can really go and build your barbarian just how you want. They might be pretty charismatic, they're not very wisdomous, they could have quite a bit of dexterity, and well, barbarians like to drink and fight, so constitution would be the way they want to go. But this is a very easy way to build a character should you not be very comfortable with rolling for your statistics or buying points. Speaking of buying points, method 2, point buy. Method 2 gives you the ability to assign 27 points into your main statistics. This is also done in quite a few games such as Dragon Age, Knights of the Old Republic, and some of the other games out there that require D&D mechanics to play. Now, how the point buy system works is 8 will cost you 0 points. 9 will cost you 1 point. 10 will cost you 2 points. 11 will cost you 3 points. 12 will cost you 4 points. 13 will cost you 5 points. 14 will cost you 7 points. And then 15 will cost you 9 points. So currently we chose Dex. Let's say we want to make a bard and we want a pretty charismatic bard. I'm going to put 15 in here, so that's going to cost me 9 points. I've already taken 12 points off of here, so now I have 15 points left to see where I want to go. Bards are generally not very strong, so I'm going to put an 8 here. That's going to cost me no points. I'm going to put some constitution here, so I'm going to put 14 over there. That's going to take 7 points off of that, so I'm still left with 8 points to put in somewhere. So I'm going to put intelligence and wisdom at a 12, and that'll give me 0 points at the end. And you can see I've made a pretty well-versed character that has buffs in these stats, and I've got a negative on this one, so it balances that character out. If you don't want to go with these 2 methods, the most popular method is method 3, the manual roll. So how this works is we are going to roll 7 times, 1 number for each of the main stats, with the exception of the 7th number, just in case you roll 2 bad numbers in a row, and believe me, that can happen. So to show you how this is going to work, we are going to take 4 D6s, 6-sided dice, and we're going to roll them. Here we go. That is 11, and we take the lowest number away. So out of the 4 dice, 3 of them count. You'll take the 3 highest, and you'll take the lowest one away. 4 and 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Not a bad stat, but not that good. Here we go again. Oh boy, that is a terrible stat. That is 7. Oh dear, this is going to be a villager. That is 10. Oh boy, not good. Another 11. Oh dear. Another 10. Finally. 15. And for our final roll, 11. Lots of 11s. Now, we have one very terrible stat here. So you take away the lowest number, which is the 7. And now we can distribute our stats across our main stats here. I essentially have a very charismatic villager. I'm going to put 15 into my charisma stat because I'm going to be a very charismatic villager. I'm going to make sure the sales are working. Everything else, I'm going to put 11 into strength. another 11 into dexterity, and 1 into constitution because, life as a villager is pretty hard. But these are very well-balanced stats, so to speak, for a villager. Not really great in this role, but not too terrible. This, however, is the most popular method of rolling. However, it is very RNG based because of your rolls. And as we all saw, I roll pretty bad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was educational for you. I hope you found the very best method that works for you and your new character, whether you are a dungeon master helping your players build their character, or you are a player ready to take on that campaign. If you did find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, may the dice roll good.